cats are fast. They can typically reach speeds of up to 98 kilometers per hour, 61 miles per hour, and can go from 0 to 60 mph in just 3 seconds, which is faster than most supercars. Their stride length becomes as long as 7 meters, 23 feet, at full pace, which means the cheetah spends more than half the time airborne. A team or researchers found that cheetahs' hunting tactics were specific to characteristics of their prey, and are far more sophisticated than thought. It may look large and cumbersome, but when on the chase, the tail of the cheetah plays an important role. It actually helps to steer the cheetah as it runs, like a rudder on a boat. It's not a cheetah's speed that's their greatest attribute when hunting. It's this agility, their skill at jumping sideways, changing directions quickly and slowing down almost instantly. Due to the energy required to run at such speed, cheetahs can only maintain a chase for between 200 to 300 meters. If a hunt isn't successful after 1 minute, they usually stop to rest. Carbon dating has estimated the age of some cheetah fossils as being between 1 and 2 million years old. Unlike big cats like the lion, cheetahs are unable to roar. They are closer to your domestic house cat in that they can purr, both inhaling and exhaling. Known to be typically solitary animals, females raise their cubs alone for about a year before they leave. Male cheetahs sometimes will live in a small group of brothers from the same litter. In order to prevent losing their kill to another big and nasty carnivore such as lions, hyenas or even vultures, cheetahs will move their prey to a secluded spot, and eat quickly. They will also hunt during the day when predators are generally asleep, and only end up abandoning a relatively small number of kills. The cheetah can have between 2,000 and 3,000 spots, to help it blend into surroundings when hunting or hiding from predators. Cheetahs can mate any time of the year with gestation lasting just 3 months. A litter can range between 2 and 4 cubs. The cubs have a smoky-colored, long, woolly coat called a mantle. It runs down their backs and acts as a form of camouflage. It helps to conceal the cubs, and their mothers assist in this by constantly seeking places to hide them to protect the cubs from predators until they are old enough to take care of themselves. Female cheetahs will move their cubs to different hiding places every few days. Once the cubs reach 5 or 6 weeks of age, they will follow their mothers and even start eating from their kills. By the time the cubs reach 1 year of age, they are hunting on their own. At 15 months, they will move away from their mother and either find a mate or sometimes live in a small group. Having adapted for life in an environment where there is little water, cheetahs can go 3 to 4 days without a drop of it. That doesn't mean that they don't actually get any liquids at all. As it turns out, cheetahs are able to draw water from the animals they hunt, kill and eat. The male can reproduce at the age of 1, while females can begin rearing families at the age of 2. The pairing is mostly random, as cheetahs will mate with many different cheetahs during their lifetime. Males do not participate in the rearing of their young, however. Females have been described as caring, affectionate and dedicated mothers. A study in the 90s, the Serengeti, found that 95% of cubs died before reaching adulthood. Many deaths were due to lions, but also other predators and disease. The cheetah is the only big cat that is capable of turning in midair while sprinting. Two Harvard scientists in 1973 set up an artificial experiment in a laboratory that concluded a cheetah would be forced to stop running when their body temperature reached 40.5 degrees Celsius. Sumerians trained cheetahs for hunting back in 3000 BC. The Indian, then Hindustan, ruler Emperor Akbar had 1,000 trained cheetahs he used for hunting while in power from 1556 to 1605. Even King Tut's tomb, 1400 BC, contained various cheetah artifacts. It was because of this that historians believed that the cheetah was a sacred animal to ancient Egyptians. At the turn of the 20th century there were well over 100,000 cheetahs. Today the numbers are considerably less, with roughly 7,000 in Africa and a few hundred in Iran. They have been driven out of their historic range by humans, and are now only found in Algeria, Angola, northern Niger, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Botswana, South Africa, and Mozambique. The species is already almost extinct in Asia, with fewer than 50 individuals remaining in one isolated pocket of Iran.